Buongiorno and benvenuti, I'm Stefanie Smith from Lionard Luxury Real Estate, and I'm here today to show you this elegant portion of villa in Florence. Check it out! Today we are in Florence, and the property that we are about to see is 3 kilometers from Fiesole, renowned for its Etruscan ruins, and 3 kilometers from Piazza Duomo in the center of Florence, which really needs no introduction. La proprietà è situata sulle colline intorno a Firenze, infatti gode di massima privacy, senza rinunciare però a tutti i servizi che la città ha da offrire. Infatti è una bellissima passeggiata di 15 minuti fino ad arrivare in città. It is believed that the location where the property resides is close to where Boccaccio wrote his famous Decamerone. Before we continue, let me tell you a little bit about the property. It is 480 square meters, it has 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, and is surrounded by 2,000 square meters of land, which comprise 2 gazebos, a beautiful fountain, a lovely garden, as well as a loggiato. We have a lot of exciting properties coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. Now let's go check out the property. We are in the main entrance of the property, which has an interesting floor plan because it's circular, so there's a nice flow between rooms. But let's start from the living area. This room leaves me in awe. I love the choice of vibrant colors for the walls and the furniture. It brings a lot of warmth to the space. In fact, it feels just like a home. Speaking of warmth, there's this majestic stone fireplace that still works today, which brings symmetry to the room and is perfectly framed between the tombs as well as the doorways. On the opposite side, we have a touch of modern art that gives depth to the room. And of course, the wooden ceilings with exposed beams completes the room. From the first living room, we are now in this charming studio that will connect us to the second living area. This is the first room where we have a direct access to the loggia and the private garden. In fact, thanks to these French windows, we have a lot of natural light. The rich colors and the wooden ceilings continue also in this room. But I think we can all see who the true protagonist of this room is, the stone fireplace. Curling up on the couch with a blanket while reading a nice book and the fire going is my ideal evening during a cold winter night. This is the dining room. It is one of the only rooms that still have the original features, like the frescoed vaulted ceilings and the maiolicas that surround the room. It has its own private access to the garden, to the loggia that we will see in a second. And just to give you an idea of how big the room actually is, it could fit a table double this one. But let me show you the most amazing feature. Come with me. Ta-da! We have the grotto that has a marine theme, which is unusual for this area. I don't know what I would do with this space. I would probably keep it with the plants like it is now. What would you do with it? Let us know in the comments below. Speaking of plants, let's go check out the garden. When exiting the property, the first thing that we encounter is this beautiful loggia, which is accessible from 3 rooms of the house. We can exit from the 2 living areas or the dining area. It almost seems as if each room has its own lounge area, which overlooks the garden and is the perfect place to relax during the warmer months. From the loggia, we access this first paved area that guides us into the garden. I can personally see myself in the summer months hosting dinner parties and putting a nice buffet table here because it's well connected to this charming outdoor dining area, which can seat comfortably 10 people. You might be wondering what the blue flags are for, and they are to sign where the irrigation system is. The original details in the garden are cohesive with the context. Like, for example, this beautiful well that is framed by iron details. But not only. We have the before mentioned stone fountain that has the plans to become a swimming pool. I would personally put a nice hot tub here. Here we have another lounge area, which looks over the fountain and the loggia. It is protected by this ancient cork oak that was planted by Galileo Galilei himself. In fact, it is now protected by the Ministry of Fine Arts. But there's still so much more to see, so let's go and see the bedrooms. While we approach the bedroom area, we first find to my right the kitchen, adjacent a guest bathroom with Devon and Devon installments, as well as the green marble that is in perfect contrast with the gold paint on the walls. We have the laundry room and the service quarters, which comprise a bedroom and a bathroom. Continuing down the hallway, always to my right, we have the guest bedroom with its ensuite bathroom. This is the first main bedroom. We are greeted by this beautiful canopy bed, and the dominating colors in this room are gold and green, very regal colors. It has its own ensuite bathroom with marble installments, which are highlighted by wooden details, and frescoed walls, which were hand painted by the owner of the house. This wardrobe area, which has this beautiful closet made out of cherry wood, leads us to the study. This study, or library, has its own mezzanine floor that can be accessed from a spiral staircase. It has such a retro feel, almost as if I could absorb a large quantity of knowledge. Now we're going to check out the second main bedroom. We enter immediately into the walk-in closet with beautiful cherry wood panels and lovely tall vaulted ceilings. The main color in this room is gold, as we can see from the finishes, the curtains, and even some details in the frescoed vaulted ceilings. In addition, the room has its own ensuite bathroom with marble installments. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed yourself as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe and keep watching our channel for more exciting tours. Until then, Ciao!